Look at how big it is. Wow, right. And almost here is the Jaffna University, guys, and probably on my left hand side, right? Is it on left hand side or right hand side? University on left? University, man. Huh? Oh, okay. I don't know how you were saying, but this is one of the temples that people stop by and visit. Wow. What this guy's doing? Come on. Probably some kind of festival going on. It's because there's so much temples festival coming up and it's happening. Wow. Amazing. Kobe Cake Academy. Wow. A lot of names. Brands. Great new journey. So from Kochi to Jaffna, different route, different locations. Actually pretty amazing to see what so many houses have, and the farming they provide here is so good, you know. And especially what I can say here is that a lot of charming photocopy. Wow. And there's a temple. Wow. Wow, where are we now? What is this? What road is this? Okay, okay. So we are at Kochi. Wow. Alright, so what it does is that when you come from the Kochi to Chennai and then all the way across, you come across here, which is the Kochi. Now I'm getting to the route. But what I can say is that because it's rained and still raining, it's pretty dark and roasted. Two options, one or the other. We are getting on the right. Oh. Nirga. Oma. Mallakam Birindhavanam. Ennathukku? Alright guys, we are heading back from Kondavil to Mallakam. Here we go. This is the real vintage look in 2023. Yeah guys, it's about to watch the biggest Amman temple in this area, which is Thilayampadi Amman temple, locally located in Kondavil, right there. That's the village. absolutely gorgeous, and the external sides. And here we go. What a view, eh? So I think this way goes to Annangai and this way goes to where is this goes? Area? Enga podide? Yeah, this way goes to Karai Kadu. Wow. Trees are here. Oh, holy shit. As you know, this area is fully maintained by the farmland. There's a chicken. That's the emotions. And here is a train. Just go across right there. They got digging everywhere. Wow. I think there's songs going on. Some DJ. Wow. Ingale fish market. Yeah, there's no fish market at all. I think if you go on the right side where I was saying Annangai, you might see so much of fish market. It used to be, I don't know. Probably, yeah. Here we go. That's the new modern world of this area, but vintage style of fence. They used to block all the vintage metal part or the metallic items right there. That's the blue metallic items, and there's some kind of shopping was on that side. But yeah, beautiful. It's a great area to be wandering around, and look at how beautiful the house that is. Oh gosh, amazing. It's because it's a pretty good weather today, and here we go, the next house building up. The camera is doing well with the battery and the heat warning. And a lot of area here is our biking. Oh, what is that temple? Enna koil idu? Inivil Kandaswamy temple. Wow. The first time I just looked into it. So now we came to into the Anjane Koil Kodu, right? Alright, so we are on the road. Alright, now we are on the KKS road, and that's the, as usual, soon to be witnessing the biggest Hanuman temple in this area, and it's about to rain, and it's raining. There was some kind of, comedy, which is more over like a festival. They take place on chariot, and yeah, I mean, it's absolute pleasure roaming around this area. But yeah, a lot of craziness around this area, and some people are very much happy, some people are very strange looks here. We got to be very careful. We are going on the speed of 60 km/h. Yeah. That's the Hanuman temple, guys. I mean, there was no chance that he got captured. Absolutely amazing that we were exploring all the new oceans. Here we go, some kind of supermarket. Be around this area, but yeah, looking nice. I always look for some kind of landmarks around this area and point out to you guys. Here's the biggest Tico, H&B assurance, and yeah, a lot of things. Wiping out the sensor of a lens every minute from the water droplets. Wow! Alright, we are pausing and resuming after the traffic signal, guys. And is in the road? Alright guys, we are here back at the Delhi Palai Temple and Delhi Palai Street as well. Delhi Palai Durgai Amman Temple. You can obviously check and see, but here we go. Wow! My helmets are falling apart. I don't know if there's going to be any kind of events soon taking, but consequences may be affected. My repair shop used to be very much higher top rank during the COVID times. Now it seems like we are back on the road. Wow, amazing. This guy is going at 70 per hour. Actually, banana farm. Alright guys, we are about to watch Delhi Palai Durgai Amman Temple. Here we go. மாமாக்க நிஞ்சால வைக்கிறேன்டா. நானே மாமாக்க நிஞ்சால எடுத்து வைக்கிறேன். அதான் அவன் அங்கே போய் Alright guys, we are passed on the Telepalai towards Mallakam. Here we go. It's a different area, different look. From Mallakam. So look how amazing it is. Absolutely gorgeous. This is where you can have so much of Kirimalai Titam, like so much of swimming and stuff like that. Guys, that's the Kirimalai Nagleswara temple, I don't know how many of you guys notice it, but yeah, look at how it's going on. Wow, there's something going on. It was right there. Wow, that looks like a different kind of paint it's driving with. என்னென்ன பிடுங்குறீங்க இங்கே எனக்கு உண்டு
எடுங்க
இல்லை நானே பிடுங்குறேன்
நீங்களாம் லைஃப்பில் செய்கிறீங்களா அங்கே இல்லையா
அண்ணா இங்கே நான் வாஷ் பண்ணுறேண்ணா ஆனால் கழுவுறது இல்லையா இங்கே
அங்கடக்கு பாய் பங்கடக்கு
நான் இல்லையா
இல்லை
நெல்லி இருந்தது காய்ஸ் இங்கே பாருங்க விகாட நெல்லி ஹியர்
அங்கே முன்னே கலக்கி சாப்பிட்ற இந்த இடமே இந்த ஓடையில மாட்டேன் சாக நெஞ்சில் பிடிச்சோண்டு
ஓகே ஆஃப்டர் அதுக்கு பிறகு
குடிச்சேன்
அதுக்கு பிறகு
அதுக்கு பிறகு நான் பார்க்குறேன்
All right, so yeah, here we go. Let me just wash off my. Wow. நான் நெல்லி What a sweet. So different. Yeah. One nail. Half a nail. So bitter. Let me taste it. So good. What else they got? They got banana and wow. Welcome guys, I'm going to explore you with that onail and the jumbo tree. Something different looks. Let's see. Wow, these ones are jungle versions. Wow, right here. Wow, what a reddish. We'll see you in the next video. எனக்கு பயமாக இருக்குது கழுவாமல் சாப்பிடு இங்கே இதை பிடிங்க சோப்பு
எல்லாம் ஜோப் தானே பேச
ஃபுல்லாக பிடுங்குறீங்க பேச மாட்டாங்க
கூட்டாளியா
பேச மாட்டேங்கம்மா உண்மை
பேசின பேச பண்ணுறாங்க
பழுதுபட்டதை தாருங்க
உண்மையை பிடிங்கினா நான் தானே யார் பிடிங்கினது கேட்டா
இது பழுதுபட்டதை தாருங்க
அது இல்லை அடிச்சிருக்குதோ இதை சாப்பிட்டாங்க கடிச்சு
சரிக்கா
என்ன 4K இல்லாட்டி HDL
ஓகே நல்ல பழத்தை தராமே அதெல்லாம் so sweet. Okay, guys, welcome. We are at the Kerimalai Nagleswara temple, where you will be see. I think this is one of the avatars of Shivan, Lord Shiva. Wow, here we go. Wow. Let me just go. Absolutely biggest attempt to step on that Kirimalat Nagleswara temple. Amazing place. Wow, I'm scared of this dog. Look at how big it is. Wow. And they got all the flowers right here. Amazing. I think we have to get our shirt off. Beniyanoda ulla polamana? Beniyan kaattonuma? Ida kaatna chirudana? Beniyan kaattonuma. Okay. Ida taandina polama? But yeah, I think we have to take off all that stuff here. Wow. It's the biggest temple, eh?